Hi everyone. Once again we are back with another presentation with the topic how to construct accounting equation. To construct accounting equation, we need to have proper knowledge of how to prepare profit and loss account and how to prepare balance sheet. We have prepared 5 minutes video on these two topics. We request you to go check the link given below in the description. Watch those two videos and then listen to this discussion. Let us begin. You have started a business with 5,000 rupees. By using these rupees 5,000 investment, you have made a profit of 1,150. Hence, your total value of investment is increased to 6,150. So the increase in your total investment from 5,000 to 6,150 is nothing but increase in net worth. Every business or every businessman objective is to increase their value of the firm or net worth of the business. So here in the previous video we have seen that you have invested 5,000 and you have used those 5,000 rupees and made a profit of 1,150. So your total investment value is increased to 6,150. Your total net worth increased from 5,000 to 6,150. Why I have introduced this? Because in previous discussion we didn't talk about net worth. The net worth is nothing but here the capital of the owner. Then I would like to introduce the accounting equation. You have seen in the previous video, that is how to prepare the balance sheet. Finally the balance sheet has got tallied, that is net total liabilities are 6,150 and net total assets are also came to 6,150. So accounting equation is total liabilities is equals to total assets. Here liabilities are two types. One is owner's liability, that is nothing but capital or net worth. Other is external liability. A businessman can start a business with his own funds as well as he can take a loan. If he has taken loan from others, either it is a bank, any other financial institution, or from any friend, so then that liability is considered as external liability. You might have seen here in the balance sheet the liability to others is nil. Why? Because you have started business with your own funds. That's why here there is only owner's liability, but there is no liability to others or external liabilities. Now in the place of liabilities we have taken owner's liability and external liabilities, that is equals to asset. Now this equation can be written capital plus liabilities is equals to assets. Here liability refers to always external liabilities. This is what the accounting equation.